I don't think I'm interested.
Okay, have a great day.
Wait.
This is Tarcisio from Patrick Bet David's office.
Hey, I forgot your name again.
Oh, Mike Milan. Alex speaking.
Okay, my name is Yadira Torres. Your friend Acez was with us in a vacation down here in Cancun a couple years ago, Mr. Al, and he provided us your number so that we can let you know about the promotions we have for vacation. Did I tell you about it?
My friend James gave you my number?
Yes, James McKernan.
Oh, James McCackrin. Funny old James. He tried to get something free out of you guys. He had to give you guys a name, and he chose to give you my name. He was probably trying to get a free breakfast, a cheap ass. But it should be all inclusive, though. Oh, nice. She laughed. She's doing good. She's gonna laugh. And she's making it a joke. She's getting
a discount for the vacation with Dallas.
Got it. Yeah, I don't think I'm interested.
Okay. Have a great day.
Wait. That's it?
Yeah, if you're not interested.
You're not going to try to tell me why I should be interested, at least?
Well, we've been trying to tell you for a couple years now.
So you're already giving up?
Yes.
You're giving up already?
Uh-huh.
Why, ma'am? Why are you giving up? You don't even know my goals. You got to figure out why I'd like to go to Cancun. Have I been to Cancun before? Why is Cancun important to me? What is my budget? Do I have kids? Is the resort good for kids? I mean, you're laughing, but this is like sales knowledge. You should have a pen and paper. You should be taking notes right now.
I am.
You are?
I'm taking notes.
All right. I can't laugh and write at the same time, but if you're writing, I appreciate it. So let's start over. Okay, I'm not interested. Go.
Very good. So you say you're not interested. What are you not interested on? On having a good time with your family or relaxing at the beach?
Good. Well, you got to figure out if I have a family first, because what if I'm single by myself? Then family wouldn't apply to me.
Yeah, the package that we're offering you, Mr. Allen, is to travel to either Cancun, Puerto Vallarta, or Los Cabos. Have you ever been?
I don't think I have money for that.
Oh, interesting. Do you know how much it is, so that you're able to say you're not?
No.
Have money for that?
No. How much is it?
Okay, the package that we have is for 5 days, 4 nights, all inclusive. For 5 days, 4 nights that you can use with it, and it's only $199.
Come on, $199 for 5 days, 4 nights, playing in a hotel?
800.
Oh, 800. That's so good.
No 100.
800.
No 100. It's 800.
800 is still a great deal. What's the catch?
As you mentioned earlier, we're going to ask for 90 minutes of your time to show you the property and explain to you the benefits of the membership.
All right, let me talk to my wife about it and see what she thinks.
Okay, for the first caller's incentive, because this is the first time that I'm speaking with you, we have what is called the first caller's incentive. If you're able to make a decision on this call, would you like to hear what those are?
You should have asked me. You should just tell me the first caller's incentive.
Well, I haven't explained to you what those are.
Yeah, but don't give me a way out, because then I'll say no, I'm good, and then you're not gonna be able to tell me it. But instead, just be like, look, before I let you go, we have amazing first caller incentives. Here's the reason you should stay on the phone. Then boom, hit me with it.
Oh, okay. Let me try again.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna ask my boss to put this call on training. It's so amazing.
Good, keep going. Well, tell your boss, I'm from Acez Academy, ACEZ. I could train up all of his telemarketers, and I could get you guys selling these packages like fucking pancakes.
Yeah, that would be great. Do you have a website?
Yeah, ACEZ.
How do you spell that?
A is in apple, C is in Charles, E is in Edward, Z is in zebra. AcezAcademy.com. Academy, ACADEMY.
Oh, that's why your friend gave us your number.
Probably, yeah. Maybe he wanted to help you guys out with sales.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Acez, Acez.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is.
All right, let's try it again. How's it going today?
Wow, you're very handsome.
Oh, thank you. You're looking at my website.
Yeah, achieve success.
Thank you.
Interactive training, tons of marketing tools, plug and play templates.
All right, yeah. Let's practice. Harita, how's it going today?
It's going amazing.
Good, good, great. Listen, my name is Alex. I'm calling you from Acez Resorts in Cancun. Not here to waste any of your time. I actually got your number from your friend James. He had a phenomenal time at our resort. Him and his family enjoyed it, and now they're actually a partner with us. And he gave me your number for an exclusive opportunity. When's the last time you've been to Cancun?
Ah, I see.
And how did you like it? And who are you with? And why haven't you been there again? And what's been holding you back? Well, what if I told you for 5 days and 4 nights I get you an all-inclusive resort? How much do you think that costs today? I don't know, a couple $1,000. What if I told you I could get you it for $800? Before you even make a decision, what is your email? Let me show you what this resort looks like. Now, you probably want to think about it or talk to your wife about this, but I'm sure any wife out there would love a free vacation or a cheap vacation that's all-inclusive. And I could even get her on the phone as well to talk to her. But the thing is, we have a first caller's, incentive going on right now, where if the first call you make the purchase, you get A, B, and C for it. So here's what I need you to do. Boot up your computer and take advantage of this opportunity right now.
Amazing.
Yeah, we just can't sound defeated in the beginning. Like, oh, we've been calling you for 3 years, because you're coming in sounding defeated,
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Anyways, in all seriousness, yeah, of course. Listen, I'm not going to be able to go because my wife is pregnant with twins, God willing, so it's a bad time for me. If you call me next year, I promise, I'll buy a package from you specifically, so call me next year, same time. And you have my word, I'll buy a package from you.
I'm going to share with your website with the management.
Yeah, share the website with management.
Amazing.
Thank you. Yes, I could train all the salespeople. We could give them call scripting. We could help set them up for success. And we could help the leaders, because your leaders probably need some help too with making it more fun for you guys, more motivating and more incentivized.
Excellent.
If you get me that deal, I'll send you a nice gift package, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you a lot, Hadid. Have a good day. Gotta flip the fucking sale on them sometimes.
What's your unfavorite sales
That was awesome. That was awesome. Cause sold the Cancun lady on it. She's gonna tell her whole company
That
right
could
now.
be
She's
a-
gonna have her whole
yeah.
play. Like, that's it? You giving up? You're not interested? See, she didn't come back after not interested. Well, before I let you go, we have a first